Hello! A few days ago I made an updo that some of you wanted to know how to do, so I thought that I would make a tutorial. My hair is fingertip length, but I think that you should be able to do this if your hair is waist length or longer. And if you choose to do this at a shorter length, you can just cross your head. You can cross your braids on top of your head or behind it instead of wrapping them all the way around. Let's start. Divide your hair so that you get two sections in the front, somewhere around here. Secure the rest of your hair so that it won't get in the way. I brush my hair a little bit to get it to lie smooth in the direction that I want it to. And then you will make a braid on each side of your head. I make regular 3-strand braids right now, but you can do a rope braid, a 4-strand braid, whatever you prefer. Start somewhere around here. And you don't have to see me do all of the braiding, so let's just skip forward a bit. I use these small little rubber elastics to secure my braids. And when you're finished with your first 2 braids, release the rest of your hair and divide it into 2 parts. Secure one section so that it won't get in the way. And then I want to make sure that my hair is tangle free and that it lies smooth in the direction that I want it to. And then you make 2 braids. And don't worry if they aren't exactly in the same place, because you won't be able to see that when we're done. And once again, you don't have to see me do all the braiding, so see you in a while. And when you're finished with your braids, it's time to make a bun. You will start with one of your braids. And twist it. And I'm using U-pins and Amish pins to secure them, but you could use bobby pins or spin pins or whatever you have. So, wrap and secure. And when you no longer have any hair, just secure it. And don't worry that this part is showing, because you will now wrap your second braid around the first one. Just hide your ends underneath. And then we continue to wrap and secure. And when you're getting to the end, just chuck it in somewhere underneath your bun and secure it. And now we will take these two braids and wrap them around our heads. And to get them in the same place, I just do this quickly. And then I tuck my ends in underneath my bun, but if your ends doesn't end here, then you can just chuck them in under your braids and hide them there. I noticed that I did these braids a little bit smaller than the first time, but you can choose to make them thicker or thinner, whatever you prefer, depending on how thick hair you have. So now I will pin these into place. Why won't you be hidden? Don't show, don't show. And now you can either leave it as it is, or you can put some decorations in it. What I used was this little butterfly and these U-pins with pearls. But you can buy these type of pearls or put anything else that you prefer, and you can make your own decorations by putting pearls or something else on pins. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you do try this, please let me know, leave a comment, and I'd love to see a picture. Bye!